Hey man, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, you know what I'm saying? I'm back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Today's video, I'm gonna teach y'all how to maintain, how to get semi-freeform dreads and how to maintain them, you feel me? So stay tuned, man. And before I start this video, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for 900 subscribers, man. It means a lot to me, man. Appreciate it. If you're new, definitely subscribe, you feel me? 1K on the way, you feel me? Like up this video, comment down below some, you know what I'm saying, anything, video ideas, man, anything. And let's jump right to the video, man. Now, basically, first thing I'm gonna teach y'all how to do is how to get them, because in order to maintain them, you're gonna have to have them first, you feel me? So in order to get semi-freeforms, you feel me, you're gonna need these things right here. You're gonna need towel, you know what I'm saying, bang bang. You're gonna need some of this right here, man. This is really good. This is some really good stuff. Some locking cream, whatever. And last but not least, you're gonna need a sponge, you feel me? So yeah. So when you you know what I'm saying, you got your hair regularly, you feel me? You got a little afro, so first thing you wanna do, you wanna use this to form your twist. Because with this, you feel me? Excuse me. You get up in there. It's easier to form your twist with this. Because if you use the sponge to form your twist, you're going to have twists like this big, you feel me? It's going to come out this big. It's just going to give it some congos and, you know what I'm saying? So, start off with this to form your twist. And then when you twist to form, you feel me? You want to transition over to this, you feel me? Because if you stay using this, you're gonna start getting patches and stuff, and it's just not gonna look good at the beginning stage, you feel me? So when you form your twist, use the sponge, you feel me? Then, you know what I said, bang bang. Every time after your sponge session, your twist session, whatever you're doing, you get some of your locking cream. This is gonna help your hair lock faster. And then you don't get about this much. You don't get about this much, you feel me? And you just gonna put it in your hand, rub it together, and just put it in there, you feel me? It's gonna make your hair smell good, you feel me? It's gonna help it lock faster. It's just beneficial in so many different ways. Because when you get in dreads, you feel me, you don't want to wet your hair until like it's kind of locked, you feel me? So this will help your dreads not to smell nasty or whatever. And yeah, so how to maintain them once you got them, you feel me? So if you want freeform dreads or whatever, once you twist your hair, your twisted form, they're locked. You don't gotta do anything, you just let them grow out. That's for freeform. If you want semi, you know what I'm saying, and you get that new growth and you want to like retwist it a bit, what you want to do is you want to take a shower, whatever, wet your hair, whatever you do, wash it up, you know what I'm saying, wash it with shampoo. I don't use conditioner, I just use shampoo, and then you get out the shower, you want to get your sponge and you just twist it, get to the roots, and what's that gonna do? It's just gonna help retwist it, kind of, basically retwist it. Actually, the towel would be better to use. Yeah, so I use a towel, but you could use either one. I recommend the towel. And yeah, so you do that, you know what I'm saying, get that new growth down, and oh my bad, and then you get this, you put some in your hand again, and you know what I'm saying, put it around your hair. And then another thing you want to do is always moisturize your scalp, guys. Moisturize your scalp. So you feel me? I got this shea butter, whatever. And basically what you want to do is moisturize your scalp so that way your hair don't get dandruff, your scalp don't make dandruff and stuff like that. whatnot, because you don't want to wet your hair or your scalp too much, because you want your scalp to produce the oil that it does to make your hair grow faster and stuff like that. So when you're not wetting it, this is what's gonna help your hair from this is what's gonna prevent your scalp from creating dandruff and all that type of stuff, you feel me? And it's just way better for your hair, way neater, less nasty, you feel me, whatnot. But basically, yeah, it's not a long video, you feel me? It's short, not long, but I just wanted to get straight to it. I know I haven't been posting videos, it's been like 2-3 months, you know what I'm saying, but I'm back on my grind. Best believe that, man. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, you feel me? Comment down below some video suggestions, ask questions down below, you feel me? Subscribe if you're new, you know what I'm saying? Turn on your post notifications, you know, and hit that bell, you feel me? So you're gonna do the next time I drop a banger video, man, you know what I'm saying? And it's your boy, and I'm out, man. Peace.